Hi, I am Ruchitha from Narayana Tech House, and the program is about how to fetch odd numbers from the list. And the given list is 2, 3, 5, 7, 10, 9. Now I am taking empty list. Why? Because of the list contains the result is always in list format we want. So for that one, I am taking here empty list. Now I am taking for loop. For I in LST. Here I is iterations. Each element will be processed here. And now I am taking the condition. The condition why I am taking means here odd numbers are there. So the condition is which is I is not equals to 0. If I modulus 2 not equals to 0, if the condition is true, we have to follow the x dot append of I. Each character, if the character 2 or 3, whatever it is, if the character is true, then it will add to the list. Next, now I am performing debugging process. Here for loop and if condition and printing purpose. Here first I is 2. If we divide 2 modulus 2, that is 0. 0 not equals to 0. So it is false. So the empty list will come. And again the element is 3. Here I is 3. If 3 modulus 2, so the result is 1. So 1 not equals to 0. Now 3. So 1 not equals to 0. It will print true. So it will add to the list. And the next element is 5. Here I is 5. 5 modulus 2. The result is 1. 1 not equals to 0. So it will add to the list. It is true and it will add to the list through the last element also. And the next element is 7. Here I is 7. 7 modulus 2 is 1. 1 not equal to 0. It will add to the list. Here the condition is true and the element is added along the last elements. And the next element is 10. 10 modulus 2. It is 0. 0 not equals to 0. It is false. So it will not add to the list and same element will come. And again the last element is 9. So 9 modulus 2. The result is 1. 1 not equals to 0. Right? So it is true and the element is added to the list. Here the elements are over. So the iterations all are completed. Now I am printing X. Why I am printing X means all elements are added to the X only. 3, 5, 7, 9.